We're here at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles, and today we are looking at our Scout lineup. Starting on this end, we have our Scout Standards. Some of them have the icon paint job with the Indian head. And easy to identify if they have ABS, they have a tone ring. That is the slotted ring. The last Scout Standard we have here, we have equipped with a windshield and a cool bag on the front. The other half of our Scout lineup is down this hallway. And these are our Scout bobbers. It has the bobbed fenders, front and rear, and the cowling on the front. This one right here is a Scout 60. Has the bobbed fenders but the blacked out engine. And the last two on the end are Scout Standard 60s. Blacked out engine but full fairings. Again, we're at Riverside County Indian Motorcycles. We are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check them out. We're always getting new colors in. Hope to see you soon.